1, 2, 1, 2 in the place to be. Rock Shock in the house on the MIC. It's the CN fan, a land for grand. Rock Shock in the land. 89 Tech 9. What up, what up? We got Matt MCs in the place to be. I'm on the MMMIC, the main one, the Rock Shock the house. Yo, we gonna turn it out. We got Mr. Liv, set the cipher off. Let's get busy.
Level up to a sniper, hit ya, split ya, lock down the whole nation. Hitler tactics that I use, bruise the first MC that moves, blood ooze. Crawl back into your cavern, the god lift, make the earth shift. I'm Saturn, your dap burn in the studio, dropping that booty flow. You're Huxtable, combustible, where the booty go? Put out the hit, come back, milk carton, status and steez. Break up my frame, become the breeze. Knock leaves off of the trees, make MCs crouch down to their knees, seize they pops, call up the cops. I got a lyrical knife, it's trife, it chops. Mop up the remains of dead frames. Rappers was lame, they should've never stepped and came. Bass, blow these rappers out the frame. Tell them your name.
Yo, I have to explain the cipher unknown. When the verbals leave my mouth, it look like typhoons. Phone home like little aliens with red fingers. My rhymes linger, glare. Oh, it's vast there. Stop in despair. Understand, rip any track. My verbs, reverbs, react and attack. Subtract, subtotal. MCs are below the surface. Can't scratch that with bare fingernails. MCs switch up the MCs switch up, so I gotta get up. You don't know how the room looks. I got a chair behind me, MCs next to me, on the side of me, circumference 360. Nifty, swifty, lyrics come out of the mouth in 3D like graph pieces. Ethics, esoterics, messages. Yak balls, get on the mic, radiate.
See, Yak Cobra clutch the Earth's rotation and save the day, but towards the darkness is more the direction the ball sways. I stay nocturnal, forever and always, like ghosts for the most part. I'm so sharp that my tongue can lunge towards your chest and put holes in your heart. Slice your dome apart and scar your brain like heroin addicts do to their arms. Live in front of you, charm snakes with subtle movements on my palms, proving I'm way beyond the norm when I perform strong mentally. Einstein and Mozart could form a tag team, and they still couldn't flex with me. I tag my name on your walls of your memory so you remember me. Essentially, Yak is nasty. Put a drill bit to your forehead's flesh and cop scratchies. It had to be in the cards that I'll be perfect, cause I practice tactics like ninja spar. Pictures hard to depict, but you just need to zoom into the scripture guard. Read between lines, cracks and concaves. One time for your mente. It's fucking brillante. Axe klepto 108 or King Bass Almonte.
On Monday,
what's the deal?
One time,
pass the mic and the headphones.
Yo, the megalo walk the earth cellular. Crush any competitor. We react animals like predator. The cannibal plus the O plus the X sells like sex on telephones. I'm telling you, Holmes, leave it alone. The mic is mine. The jungle have a nigga starving to shine. Getting it on, spitting these thorns, ripping you forms, immaculate palms, ripping your so-called hard masculine form. Niggas don't know I flow with the like it's cold like Eskimos. Leave you froze, don't ever oppose. I smack flows and trap those in my escapade, let it flow. Niggas don't know the cannibal O, animal flow, mechanical pros, leaving those intangible knots. Cannibal ox, the animals locked in the cage. Niggas trapped with rage, fuck with me, I might slice the face with words that slide and skate over your whole avenue. I crack clavicles, smacking flows, it's classical. Niggas can't practice flows, I'm trapping flows. Aw shit, I almost lost it, absorb it. Microphone is cordless, crack your whole orbit. Niggas can't see, it's void shit. Smell it, spell it, V-O-R plus the D, U-O-L. Niggas fell, niggas is trapped in hell, trapped in cells, crack you fell. Niggas can't fuck with me with acapels, I story tell very well. Megalo one time, the rhyme might split minds and domes. Who's next to rock the microphone?
L-Y-R-I-C. It's Latina, Desperado. Make a deep voice, hit a high note with a tight rope around throat, choking niggas with flows. What a nigga know. Blazing inferno. When I spit, I will burn you. You bitch tears, motherfuckers ain't my concern. I'm the type to slice your skin and smoke a L with your flesh. Empress of death, going down, blasting the text. Holding respect for those who ain't cashing they checks. In a sec, motherfucker will be building they rep. We smoke a half a brick a week. Shit ain't sweet in the streets. You best bow down when you meet. If not, speak to the heat. You underestimate me and the gender you see. Female MC, the best B-L-Y-R-I-C. BX born, Brook, Norm, fam is where I rest. Lyrics, the type of bitch to pack a get and a dress. Fire spitting, drag on. Never thought it would happen. Hollow tips to the temple. Bullet sex and relax on. So open the eyes and meet the bitch who brought you the drama. Lyrics, motherfucker, aka Sarah Connor. And you battling me, it's not my motherfucking issue. Cause I rip through MCs like niggas rip through pussy tissue.
Yeah, let me make one comment real quick. On that mic, just stay like 3 inches away, alright? So that's, but keep on passing it, I don't want you to mess it up. Yeah.
Yo, dazzle my master wild. Without Valentine's, take a foul MC's heart like girls on St. Valentine's. Challenge minds to follow my design. Where crews stay aligned through exchange of hand signs. Eye glance, we advance with every chance. Entrance the audience like iron fans and lion dance. Who will meet my demands and take a stance when you rock it and people sizzling like frying pans? It's in the plans of the man with the epiphany, religiously deliberate, dynamic like a symphony. I'm sent from the company, run with the T-double-E. That's my cup of tea, you might lose a couple of tea if you fuck with me. Cannibal Ox, Hydrogens, Alaska, Master Blaster, Pastor.
Yo, I come in colder than Alaska. The lyrical master, skin smooth in the groove. Alabaster, prove and show every time that I flow. Yo, walking the streets, the government meets me at the corner, trying to make my brain hotter, then slaughter. That the government provides. Mental homicide, I was died the day I born. Saved, scorn, came back to educate me. Nothing positive to emulate, see. I created myself, dropped out of college to get the real knowledge and moved in stealth. Outside of the books, the God looks. I still use a sundial and run wild through the streets. Concrete under my feet, crack it. Go down to the earth's core to make sure the earth's raw. Then I come back with tales of war in store. Like 24, a Wawa. When you go to New Jersey, your mind blurs. Who observes? I'm glad the war is over with the Serbs. Whack niggas is still herbs.
Yeah.
So my sound vibrates and shake the city for the pity, hear me. I'm just a spirit having a human experience. It's just a cold world like winters in Alaska. My style is brand new like birth. Sometimes I feel like fuck the world, I stick my dick in the earth. Yo, they curse this cause I lay tracks with political verses. Stay greedy, my lyrics is the New Testament written in graffiti. For cops I hold hate just like a Nazi. Critics take cheap shots of me like a paparazzi. Daily struggles between the have and the have-nots. Keep us stuck like a blood clock or a cock lock. Or too much baking soda in the crack rock. Shit is deep like the floors of the Atlantic Ocean. Little motion, on the street corner foot soldier strike.
Oh, DJ Len, Rock Shock in the house. This is a CN Family program. Myself, DJ Cucumber Slice, and my partner, family to the fullest, Lord Sear, bringing you this show the first, third, and fifth Thursday of every month. And right now we have Canox, Mr. Yak Balls, el.p, j.treads, and a couple other guys that I don't quite know their MC names, but we're gonna get to that.
MC DJ Mr. Len.
Yes, MC Mr. Len, Yak Balls, Lyric, Gene Gray. Yeah, hit it up.
Yo, many claim to be blazing, but ain't facing us. We fireproof, saying they dangerous, but they ain't just crying wolves. Couldn't hurt a fly, that's a dream or serve a fry. So gather steam, bring your weak flow, but turn the tides in our favor. Then take charge in less than 8 bars. Let motherfuckers know the deal, and we don't play cards. We only pull them to expose who got the best flows. No wonder when we get open is when their mouths are kept closed. Zip shut, cause with us shouldn't get mixed up, or you might become the subject of a diss cut. Cause we stand cats with our illest square rap shit, but got love for the heads in our camp like a care package. The rest we spit fire And that's how we win, cause we infernos towering over you big lighters. And when treads flex English, then y'all heads get extinguished. Should've known y'all wouldn't get no burn. First the torch bearers who rhyme so sick. We show niggas that it's time to quit or endorse Theraflu. Cause we can't be stopped, said our plans be hot. You think shit's sweet, then get out of the candy shop.
Candy shop, head will chop, disturbing these services. Motherfuckers get worthless. My style is the murkiness. El-Producto, not worthless. My service is that of indelible squadron tracks and sound bombing. I never play that whack shit. Off the top of the dome, I'm blacklisted in every industry function. I don't give a fuck my luncheon. Sound beatbox, style beat down. Off of the top of the dome, I'm not a clown. El-Producto, indelible sound. Cannibal ox is the ox in the J to sound that cuts like flesh combustible. Rock one off the top of the dome, I'm top one. MC that tried to get nifty, please slit his throat like fucking Swiss cheese. El-Producto with the cat that brought him to his knees. I don't deserve the most sarcastic return. Off the top of the dome, the style is worthless, sir. My style is like interjected. Bobito is perfected. The style of radio broadcast lasted. My style is everlasting, dropping drastic. This style is hectic. Off the top of the dome, I expect it. Most motherfuckers to think El-Producto fell the fuck off. I'm not soft, I'm just an energetic MC. Grab on that microphone and be like, yo, this is me. I don't play the gun tote role. I play the I'm broke, so let's motherfucking diss all that bitch ass internet lawnmower cat MC. My style isn't empty, it's just healthy. Like Kazuki, motherfuckers try to spit by, but you're in puberty phases. My style amazes while the most motherfucking mass media grazes on the fucking cattle shepherds. My style is like a fat pack of lepers. Most motherfuckers try to avoid it. I'm penoid and fucking paranoid. But what is on the side, I'm not a void. I'm just a chasm. The dark matter in the sky, I'm lasting. El-Producto blasting. When I sip on a fucking malt liquor stashed in a Snapple bottle, I hit it on full throttle. 8-1 combustible, damp microphone mediator. My style's a gladiator, shitting on most MCs. Please drop to your knees like metal earthworm planet. Most motherfuckers' style is intrepid. I'm not Led Zeppelin, I'm not falling to the fucking sky. Yo, why? DJ Mr. Len, you're fly. I love your gold chain, you're so sexy. Ooh, hey, yo. Off the top of the dome, I'm not vexed, I'm just sarcastic, never flaccid. El-Producto, drop you in Lake Placid. Off the top of the dome, I mastered it. People try to act like bastards. Bobito on the wheels of steel. If you feel it, make some fucking noise for that mass appeal shit. I don't kick commercial, try to cross over reverb. That shit is played like motherfucking raucous t-shirts and fucking sweatbands. Off the top of the dome, I don't dance or sing. Cats try to pitch pennies at my head, but that's dead. My style is interpreted as the most fucking serpentine lyrical style. I'm worth motherfucking 16 wild out styles and phases. My style amazes. Yo, sick up the grass that you graze on. You're just a shepherd, but my style is a leopard. Peeping in the woods like I'ma kill him. It's just my satisfactory rhyme, tongue filling. 3 fillings in my mouth is lead. Spit him in the head of an MC, now he's dead. El-Producto never fed off the whack media bullshit. I pull shit, levers I spin with. Off top of the dome, I win shit. Someone just threw me a cigarette, but I'm not even done yet. People try to run, but I'm a threat. El-Producto severed them in half. Like Darth Maul, double-sided, blade double-sided, wind saber, lightsaber. My style is the fucking amazing Mentos. Grabbing and run across the street and smile and put your thumbs up. My style is dumb what? Stick a finger in your butt. That's my sexual and indelible style. Unintelligible, I'm wild. Pass the microphone for a while.
Yeah.
1, 2 is my style. What's the deal? We eating it for a while.
Who got the death clutch, hands cold as ice, gripping a steel knife. My night spent drinking, holding on to bitter life. It ain't worth it. My body's fragile on the surface. My mind ready to exit this physical place. My soul versus everything upon the planet worthless. Send to hell, watch the flames coming from your churches. Send all your nurses. My sickness inflicted from curses. The antidote extracted from the lines within my verses. A mortar burning. We like the L for higher learning. And pour Bacardi out for all the niggas ready turned in. I preach the devil's sermons on. Concern is wrong. I fast and broke and make it year the holy Ramadan. The
Muslim-born child with sight of the cruel storm that spawned on 11/26 to break of dawn. See all songs to reference, my words stand strong. My life short like the blast from bombs in Lebanon. Self-prophecy, my body claimed divine property. It's all scripted in the stars, mastered in astrology. You can't change it, the ill-fated destined to fall. No second guessing or a question at all. The laws of physics on the side of living and God of life-giving. But death is slicing like a devil's sight upon the children. Filling his ways cause these last days niggas hold. When I die, niggas pour the liquor for my crippled soul. My body fold like a deck of cards, smashed like a rent-a-car. Blacker than the hair of Pat Benatar. Last show niggas, but stand proud. Kiss my mom for me, throw my ashes in the crowd. It's like that, it's like that. We pass the mic on, keep it going on, keep it black.
My name is Murs, I'm like 21 years old. Got on the plane Tower Air, yes I'm hella bold. If you don't know about Tower Air, they can crash that shit at any time. Give me any rhyme, I'll make it happen. Murs the nigga rapping from mid-city LA. We get down and don't play, every day be on the bus. I had to trust myself, didn't pay my rent, took my money off the shelf and bought a $400 ticket to get wicked. Come and kick it with my nigga el.p, trying to get me tipsy. Drinking hella whiskey, it's black label and I'm able to bend rappers over, hella sober. Well I'm not, but I like to spit them rhymes for a knot. If you talking about doing shows for free, I don't mess with that. I'm from the L-I-B to the I-N-G. Legends, we get down, feel threatened when we coming in, choking your sound man out for doing that whole whack shit. I don't wanna go about on the street, I'm about getting something to eat or paying my rent, and that's how I spent my time. Off the head we rhyme on West Coast California style, never sublime, it's really up front, coming to your face and tell you exactly what the fuck I want. At like Fat Beats when we had it in store, that shit was hella poor. They don't wanna carry our records anymore. I'm like, what the fuck, your whole crew sucks. I serve any motherfucker talking that shit. Duck when I spit the shit. The half niggas dropping heads, I dropping lead on tracks, and it will still move like platinum albums. I'm spitting all over motherfuckers like talcum powder. I keep the shit dry and I try to stay high off a BD or a cigarette I lit. Walk to 125th and got the gift. I got American spirits, that nigga spirits in the house with canned oxen. Yes, I knock niggas off the block of cinder. Never been too much a pretender. Getting down with motherfuckers, they know the dragon's here when I enter. Like Bruce Lee, you can't seduce me with record labels and deals. I don't want no skrill, I just want a meal so I can kick it on the hill and chill with all my little homies packing all types of gun. LA, mid-city Crips, we get down like that. Niggas don't know hella gats and shit, but we try to keep it on this rapping tip and keep it positive. Gotta live for my teams, and that's the way it goes. Proceed after me, the next MC on B-O-B-B-I-T-O. We go like that, 89 Tech 9. When we get down fat on mid-city streets, it's like that.
It's like that. Cannibal Ox is tight fat. Well, that's one of us. If you seen us in the physical, individual. Cannibal Ox, cut us in two. 22, that's 11. Make MCs go to heaven. When I rhyme, I do it 7 times, and then I wait until the bread leavens. Understand, my man? It's like I'm cannibal. Yo, we gotta do this together. The animals gotta keep me locked in the box. Cannibal, what? Yo,
the animal in me, it might strike. Back and forth, can't knock, we might. Yo, 5 claws retract, I scratch whack cats off the face of the map. Niggas can't fuck with that. Cannibal flow with text plus the X. Niggas might blow like sex. Know these heads? Niggas might blow these feds off the earth. The worst turbulence. Niggas hurting kids with circuit chillin'. My man Bass illin'.
Yo,
Tapper like a villain.
How we perplex kids with verbs that we 7X with, kid. I had a Lazarus before a record deal. MCs they never knew, they can't feel.
They can't feel life's real. You know life's real. The type that might kill, strike ill, cause life's. Yo, we flow on mics and strike. It's like the cheetah bite might bite your whole grill, cause life's like we must build. See the sun is real ill. The ones that will kill for funds, I still chill. But guns make me react like the animal. Crush anything mechanical. It's the cannibal.
Whether behind bars or in front of stars, we use medicine to numb the rap. Yo, I might tell you something that'll change your death. Pain kills your life, pleasure loves your death. Ox acapella, spit this in hell with elves hanging off my body and no ice cooler. Every rhyme I write symbolizes my future wife breaking her water in the time. Yo, sometimes when I rewind the mind, flashbacks of a third kind, like a gray type matter, fatter, gray, old, yo, MCs, I bring it down in three-dimensional symbols.
It gets real, ill, and critical black, while black individuals trapped behind bars, cipher divine God. Adapt sight and still feel the urge to burst under the sun, cause time's hard, but that's life, just like the God holding a 4-0 with no home, stumbling. He spoke and said, we living in the days of last. Word to God, so Allah, please hold your head. I replied, I hold minds in no times is ill. It's like in my life, attached mics, I might blow minds and flow line that kill is real, just like the city breeze fiends that hold on to crack pipes. The pain kill, those days that feel is mad tripe. Yo, criminals adapt to schemes trying to take yours. I'm like, come on dick, I just might bite your face off. As the most dangerous type, mechanic on the mic, living in the ills, my words, they stay raw. Like 7 fast.
Yes.
We're gonna change the beat.
Kids mimic fools, which leads to critical raps that ridicule cats on any interval. Yak subliminal, criminal style is more dusty than digital. Can't even wipe it with Windex. Bear witness to how I score walls, and above all, I send the evilest grill in kids' direction like Darth Maul. Watch the jaws fall.
Hold up.
Stupid.
Huh? Nah. I really don't want Yak rhyming over the chorus like that. Alright, peace, my man, DJ Len. No doubt. So, we're gonna wrap up the cipher in a minute. I wanna get Yak balls one more time, I only heard it once. I wanna get Lyric one more time, I only heard it once. I wanna get Murs, L. I heard you twice. I want everybody to get 2 verses. We're gonna get on again. I'm saying, we got stuff to play, we got Citizen Kane. We have so much stuff. Okay, I just want to hear everybody twice. What? I'd like to hear you again, but I just want to hear everybody twice, and then we open up later on. Jack balls.
Yeah.
Yes, Jack balls.
Hey yo, sleep not on the Steve. I poison niggas. Copping pleas for detox like Yak was a D-knock. Most probably they fake white as rockin' dentures and take risks when they try to visualize the basics. So face this, that's like putting your face in a blender. Niggas surrender cause they know shit ain't sweet. When they seein' TCK on Broadway or 8th Street, I slay beats with tasty treats and play for keeps. Yakko came out the crevices. To say the least, I'm a pervert. Skill level is ill with sick fetishes. Figuratively, sever kids' heads off simply just to let off steam and make sure my kicks are clean, then step off the scene. No eyewitnesses, cause I usually drop the smoke screen. But there's room for error, like Dr. Yak injected patients with way too much codeine. Hypodermic straight through the cervix, and you could do it yourself. Kevorkian butters, I don't brainwash. Tell them that their life was worthless, just to cease the chaos. And now it's like MCs are raindrops trying to permeate my North Face Gore-Tex mountain light. Ultramagnetic syllables critically beat down the mic until it sounds alright. Wait and see niggas rampage, getting wild for the night, rolling deeper than critters, and rush niggas like Vietnam guerrillas. True city killers deliver and dick more tricks than Dirk Diggler. The author constructs his son in the dungeon with used limbs stitched up. They talk the horror but don't live the thriller while confused and mixed up. Short a few marbles, real bars will leave a mind boggled. Hip hop is going downhill. You seen an ass bent toy MCs wearing ski goggles. Yeah, controls destiny in these novels. A godly mongrel. I have my dick play tag with your girlfriend's tonsils. Yeah. That's Yak Wall.
Let's get these last verses in so we can get back into the music. Hey, you wanna pick another one? Jay, I want you to kick the second one too, alright? Yeah! Keep the cipher going. Come on, Larry. What's your MC name, man? I don't even know.
Chasm.
Huh? Chasm, okay.
Chasm, sorry, I let too much space go by. I'm sorry, I don't understand. I played niggas like Atari. Remember that? Yeah, going way back in the days. The freestyle got niggas going mad crazy, like sitting on the sofa. I can't believe this. A freestyle coming out like a bitch bitch like this? Yeah, don't ever get it mistaken. Don't eat the motherfucking bacon, even though I'm Latino. Don't get it mistaken. My life is complicated like 12-sided dice. And the first time you called me crazy, I was kinda tripping, right? But now that I think about it, I think I fucking am. I don't give a fuck about you or your motherfucking fam. So remember this once and I have to say it twice. Don't underestimate me, son, yes, I'm quite nice. The freestyle coming from the top of the dome. B-O-B-B-Y, left my pen at home. So apologize, no written for right now, but the freestyle has to go down. I'm sitting shout outs to them girls that be looking like them fucking clowns, wearing them pussy choking pants. They don't understand that yeast infections are not in my fucking plans. I can wear the baggy pants, I'm rocking the tin boots. I love all them niggas that be wearing them suits, but sometimes I gotta go for my thugs, cause those are the niggas that I gotta give love. And if don't know, Roselle walking through the door, never seen you before, peace brother. Check this out, no groupies in this motherfucking room. I gotta tell you in a minute, I'm about to drop like B-O-B-O-M, boom boom. And el.p, the freestyle was coming soon. Gotta let you know this shit was kinda hype, yo. Pass it down to the bro on the side.
On the right side of me, I rock microphones, the prodigy come, I'm murs out of the capsule, I rap slow, infected with my freestyle, I'm free, I'm not in a penile, so I'm known to project at MCs in the audience, I stand in my stance, real deep, rap slow, my style is so wild, like a vitamin capsule that I open, for that extra energy, the remedy, medicinally, I take MCs where they should have been back in the days from 87, got the 2-finger ring, lingering in your mind ever since I was cindering the mic like a fire princess. Burn up seeds, what? You haven't even felt the cess. Angelic lungs blessed to hold the smoke deeper. Helps me catch the feeling of the reaper. Sometimes a sharper image of the man in the mirror will guide your eyes to visions which are clearer. From you possess the fascination for contradictions like two aspects of sex, fluidity and friction. Ganja inspires me, but there's my precision, or how wars have been fought in the name of religion. I feel a weak stomach, confidence plummets, need to focus on the problem, but I'm thinking about who done it. Far from the summit, on even superficial planes, try to run that, and my spirit screams and pain needs to cure this condition. Mine will only numb that. Music is the purest medication, so I pump that. Not looking for a comeback. Life I need to run that. Post the 10 commandments over my bed with a thumbtack. Not listening to thug rap. Some trying to become that. Other kids like spliffs and watch the images from rugrats. Some of us in the comeback, too young to have done that. Tiny beings and me and you is who they looking up at. What's the deal? Adam's fan, peace to Cryptic. Peace to my sister Ariel, KF4 Massive. Peace to Massive. Busted off the top, though I need a little practice. Peace to Cryptic. That's how it is, yo. Peace to Murs from the journeyman. He's kinda mystic from the left coast, yo. I best any nigga who claims that he can boast anybody. They all bust for my people. Plus I'm in the cathedral, that's where we are. That's a radio station. Yo, I'm asking what crazy flow is blazing Jason. There aren't too many. Yo, I don't have too many whack verses. But yo, I just let that disperse, get off the top of the dome. Son, I'm dropping a poem, I'm not in the zone. But yo, I'm still high like the chrome after it's busting. Yo, I come through, niggas show frustration because there ain't nobody who can bust Jason. That's how it is. Yo, son, I be dousing kids if you claim you're blazing. Yo, I kicks the shit's amazing. It's like the Mets, the Metropolitan. Niggas, I'm demolishing, and I'm creating a lyrical following. Yes, I'm like the leader. You can call me the shepherd. I'm like el.p. My flow is like a fat pack of leopards. That's how it is. Yo, it's just bring it to the jungle. Yo, the illest lyrical style is what I brung to the cipher. That's how I spit it. It's like we did it. Ridiculous. Yo, it's quite mellifluous. Yo, remember that from the first time when I dropped the fucking verse rhymes off the top of the melon. And yo, niggas
viscosity.
With viscosity. Yo, niggas bringing up some first time shit. That's like an atrocity, but I keep on going with viciousness. It's like perniciousness. I don't believe anyone's dissing this because I'm dropping with the big words. Niggas in the dictionary be like, yo, that's not even in here, you fucking big herb, but I don't care because I just choose to continue. I'm not CL, but let's see like what's next on the menu. That's how it is. Yo, spell it J-T-R-D-S. Yo, I'm fresh on them when I'm bustin'. Yo, lyrics just be bustin' off the top of the dome. That's how I do it. And yo, I'm not like a gnome under the bridge. Yo, I'm just more like a a lyrical giant. Yo, I'm quite defiant, yo, I'm not like fucking vibrant, like the vibrant thing. The fucking Q-tip, yo, when I come through indelibles, that's my crew flip. Off the top of the brain, yo, I'm dropping, never lame, that's how it is. Yo, I come through, then I came, that's the past tense. And yo, I come through, yo, I go over the last fence, just like I hit a homer, yo.
Like the homer, gone, run. Nigga Murs get on the microphone, spitting one verse off the top real quick. Hip-hop becomes naturally, I don't know how fools coming after me. I'm looking at the mic that I hold. I'm looking at DJ Mr. Lynn, he got on hella fucking gold. It's tripping me out, I'm like slipping in out of consciousness. I'm like, damn, I'm a underground MC, can I cop some GOLD like that one day? I don't know, maybe once I get my radio play. But anyway, we'll take it back to Sway and Tech to get no respect. They don't play our shit out on the West, so I'm dissing everybody that will listen. I got a mission in hip-hop and it's to cut up. Anybody that run ups gets done, and that's the real one coming off the top of the dome. And it's really just for fun. I'm drunk off Valentine, one a Dominican Valentine, and that's just the way that I do it. Why I came to New York is fluid. Not rapping on the beat, but it's anyway. Murs, Mid-City, Cloverdale Street, like that.
Yes.
Who's about to get on next?
I think we're gonna close the cipher down for a second.
You wanna shut it down?
We're gonna shut it down for a second. You guys been rhyming for 30 minutes now.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
We got like 30 people in here.
Can't hear you. Huh? No, I'm saying we're gonna open the mic again. I need to get some music on. Okay?
Yo, what you wanna do with this, Vodal? Yo, what you wanna do with that, Vodal? Yo, what you wanna do with this, Vodal? Yo, what you wanna do with that, Yo, what I'm gonna do with this? Yo, I'm gonna toss word. Yo, let's get it open. Make MCs start scoping. Cannibal ox, no joke when. You fartin', we break wind. Yo, attach wings to the mic. Fly lines, lubricated, never dry lines. Inviting you, I'm vast air lines. In between, space, matter. I'm fatter than the average MC, claiming he's glucose. Sugar, diabetics. I break necks, break sweats. Who sets? Throw 'em. Might have to break fingers if you from Chicago. Know him, throw him, control him. Tell him I will mold him like pottery. Sloppy, easily. Niggas in thievery. If you biting, can't chew properly. Yo, understand my rhymes is 3D. Yo, Vodal, grab the mic and show him. Show him the Cannibal Ox knows how to hold them like the baby.
Knows how to hold them, knows how to flow.
What?
Flow on the mic, anchored in Dolomite. Control the mic, lord of the polar right. Niggas don't flow right on the mic. I strike, it's live living. Every day I'm tri-pigeon. Fly through the sky, high off the ism. Niggas can't fuck with us, bust with rhymes. Might push through minds. Niggas don't know, we flow through spines, flow with rhymes. Niggas don't know these times, I grow with lines. Might have to, come on, bring it back. Disaster on the track, I scratch the fake fables. Can't fuck with mines, my high label. I might grace you with these words like lasers. Niggas still trapped in the project, trying to understand what's the labor. Doing it for work, niggas hurt women. Yo, the cops watching, while the clock dropping. My man Kasim, stop spotting. Niggas is blowing, it's too rotten. Bit by the demon, almost lost semen off this girl that was dreaming. Yo, niggas in the street still scheming, still plotting. Niggas is in the apple rotting like the worm. I'm a germ, start to execute, I execute. Niggas shot with coke, niggas is 80 proof live. Niggas with 151 drums of Bacardi rum. Niggas can't fuck with my tongue and oxecute. Slice niggas in half, I drop in parachutes, that's sick. Niggas can't flow like mine, I'm futuristic when I spit. I blow your spines, blow your mind. Niggas are dangerous like those cats that hold those nines. I chose to rhyme cause that's the life for me. I strike so hard like I strive to be the #1 master law ruler of the NYC. One time, bless the God, Allah Shamar works hard on beats and strikes concrete.
Yo, check it, my style for injustice. I crush this, microphones, let's discuss this. I bust kids like a cold barrel, about to spit at your Adam's apple. My style is so ill, after I rhyme, I need some sample for my diaphragm. Might take some diazepam, that's off the head, man. I slam MC stand in command. 5'7", the reverend, severing tongues. My style is so ill, I'm iron rung like cats in the Shaolin temple. Blow over any instrumental, I take it back into my holy temple. That's my laboratory, bust them seeds against gory when chasm enter the auditorium. I'm kinda ill when I sport the new type of gears. My style is so ill, no fear, like all them clothes that rappers be mentioning. I be ascending it, climbing Everest, never test, cause it's painful to beat the flesh. When I make you just cross over that mesh line, I find styles drop a dime, pass the rhyme to anyone who can rock sublime.
Yo, I rock sublime, coming on time. Check out the sundial as my thoughts run wild through the Nile. Then come back when we rip Egypt. Record tour, then run right up inside the record store. Start tipping over CD racks, catch rappers and tracks. Give me an axe, I chop up the gas.
My matter of fact, my fucking shit serves a million customers. Like the blundering blunderbusters that cats go hunting with. My style is EL Dash, Emerson, Lincoln Palmer, Sound Bomber. Motherfuckers is skin palmers. Off the top of the dome, I roam around sound spectrum.
Yeah, I'm out phones, yes we're rabid. MCs with disease, looking for some mental ease. So we creep through cities, streets, alleyways for days. Riding on the waves
like
slaves.
Hemophiliac and see how we bleed. My name is EL-P. I got no metal plates up in my knees. I'm just a introspective. Let them wet down and oh, it's so jazzy. My style is bad acid. Motherfuckers is flaccid. Off the top of the dome, my mustard gas seeping under your apartment. I'll start when people try to light the Newport cigarette. My style gets bigger yet when I pass it off to Mr. Lip. Don't ever call him a niggerette.
Yeah, no, I'm a niggerette.
I don't sweat. So please, the cat with the dreads and the specs catch wreck.
Yo, I'm the nigga vet. I came back from Vietnam after enduring mad days of blurring mental harm. Creeping through the bush, trying to give the fucking Viet Cong a push. Airstrike, pass me an air mic. Napalm bomb in the morn. I love the smell, reminiscent of hell. Come back to fucking America to endure the terror all been going through while I was gone. But day to day, I slave away on the streets, asking for dimes and quarters. The mental slaughter creeps in. I'm peeping through windows with an Uzi like Malcolm, waiting by all means necessary. God must elevate his mind state. Can we get a beat change? LP, come back and rip styles on the free.
Beat change, cool. What the hell gon' do?
What you have is a fucking indelible crew. Plus Mr. Lift and Can Oxen. Motherfuckers lost their oxygen. When they stepped into the vacuum, they tried to rhyme, but they saw soon that this shit is out of time. My name is ELP, but I don't say producto no more. I'm just a score for the underground indelible fragment. My style has been and will be fucking memorable.
As it matures, your mind blurs what occurs. MCs, we try to see how we flee the scene after we sever your spleen. Moving on the tip of a laser beam.
Fucking grooving, soothing people like a geisha in a Ginsu slicing factory. Your old factory noses get closed by my cannibal ox cutter that chose to beat down with a CF family. I don't clown, I'm just glad to be peers with the most motherfucking talented cats that I met for years. Please, I freestyle. Meanwhile, you just got some shit that you written, bitten on the internet. You sweat while typing that shit up in your mother rooms. Your fucking motherfucking mother's little living room couching. My shit is not slouching. Peace to Mystic Journeyman and the grouching. Motherfucking murs. My verse is not rehearsed. Tell God conductor I disperse. Verses like disgusting, dipped in hepatitis thumbtacks. I come back and run tracks. El.p producto numb. That's the sum of the shit. On the top of the dome, I pass it to Mr. Lip. He's not blasting. In fact, he's got quite a gift.
Yo, if you pass it, I catch it. Yo, I throw it up in the sky and I make the clouds cry. Ice crystals or missiles aimed at your gristle, piercing your physical frame. Now you're physically lame. Take aim. The MC is in your brain, triple down your spine. Then I commence to ripple time, slicing them, bringing them to the continuum. Then I pull them way past the motherfucking fulcrum. Teeter off the edge. I got a sledge with a sickle at the end. Your frame will bend, causing mayhem. Slay them. up against the wall with my yes, y'all. I bless y'all. MCs, whether you're free or in a mess,
yo, I'm a fucking street team nightmare. You might beware of the sound that is uncommercial. My style will hurt you with inertia. The services is quite disturbing. My verses is pertinent in this day and times of authentic shit. 2001 cats clowning. Y2K, I'm spraying off the top of the dome. Know the land is 5 months left. People got fucking sitting out of breath, thinking this shit isn't even gonna happen. But I'm rapping off the top of the dome. I haven't digging my hole yet to hide my family. My shit is spontaneous. Motherfuckers try to get a fucking yo, grievous. My style is the shit that needs this. Put the needle to the record and feed this. Off the top of the dome, I'm Jesus. People try to front like I suck. Fuck that, here's this mic, put it in your butt. Suck that, el.producto, never rugrat. Off the top of the dome, I love that. Pass it to the left, get that.
Yeah, I play guard, you couldn't detect my presence with heat radars. Yeah, home piss whether you suspect or not, I'm still the culprit. So call the cops on this wizard, this warlock. Make them free using mind tricks. Tear a portal out of thin air right in front of them. Snuff one of them and scream fuck Jake. Pigs are more fruitier than nutcakes and skate into a realm that's timeless. You know the clockwork, trust in me. I'm a doctor that's very well trained and capable to fuck the shit out of the head nurse on the operating table. So save the bull. I'ma set it like the Gungan, son, and cruise. Nonetheless, I stay dipped like Dunkaroos. But when I'm vexed, land serpents grow legs, start running in you. You do the same, cause I catch wreck again. Don't wait until it's too late. Show like David Letterman gets sliced by my lightsaber. That's how I represent. Yeah, that's how I represent. So fast, Kramer. Where you at?
Yo, I might have to intervene and take that, cause you know me from Harlem, that cannibal cat. See, when I spit verbs from my mouth, they look like light beams with halos attached. Call it angel verbs. I hate herbs, they be standing on the curb. Yo, handle that, pass the herb like that. It looks like a star from the bar, from afar. Remember that? Open, got you scoping 3D. MC, you can't see me, it's a mystery. I'm like a god, so praise that. Remember that cat, like Sheba, Egyptian, walk like that. When I get on the 6 train, my brain, cerebellum, rhymes tell them, yo, I'll send them to another realm when I hem them to a piece of the gem that I just kept in my pocket. I rock it like Nassau, who's the man with the scar?
Yeah.
Yo, who? Yo, I come off the top of the head, leave MCs dead in the cornfield. I like that, cause I'm the scarecrow. You need to kneel, the god of corn. Who's born like a devil? I might reveal a horn, or like a mother, I might act like I'm scorned. When you fuck me and don't leave your number. MCs, yo, that girl, yo, I'll never forget that. Yo, she heard me, that's real. I brought that in a freestyle, dessert D beat when el.p on the left of me, and it's liftedly. He's from the ton, we #1, that's little Johnny. You don't comprehend? Orphanage, funny. Yo, peace to him. Crazy with a scalpel, independent as Fox. Yo, we mocked you, never understood that. Took metaphors to a different elevated portable. When I'm slaughtering you, you're horrible or horrible, like Shabam would say when we was in the tour bus getting wrecked on hay. Yo, I'm freestyling. Yo, peace to Shabam. Yo,
Yeah.
Yo.
So analytically, I'm critically conditioned in an emergency room. Surgery performed liturgically. Nerves will be vital, but as long as the vinyl keeps spinning and my body structure is vertically positioned, verbal murder be by syntax. In fact, the slaughterhouse is my business as usual. Keep the uncontrollable substance fermenting in the crucible. Yak roll call reporting with some news for you. I've been up since the sun turned on, meditated for eons. Watch my sun burn on, levitated naturally cause my brain cells are resonating. Be gone rapidly. You know I put the earth on its axis. This planet you're lost in the stone cold world like Steve Austin. Sorta makes you wonder how I execute the stunner on the whole solar system. From my molars to the wisdom teeth. Organisms reach a cavity crevice and turn to precious stones during periods when left alone. I set the tone, underground like the technodrome. So when they morally ostracized, remains of brains could cut last. If they properly fossilized, possibly I hypothesize too much, but do clutch as well as grasp the aspect of ultraviolence. With the wordplay, been dropping science since my first birthday. And cats wreck like Magneto attracting an 18-wheel gorilla shipping a 2-ton magnet, but that truck hit a Volkswagen Rabbit. Cause you know that rabbit hit a stop sign. Yo, you got yours. I'm an amateur porn cat, so you can call me on the hotline.
Check it, you can call us here on the hotline too. When the rhymes come through, without drinking that brew, Johnny Walker Black, I wish I had the one in blue. Get your jump through the early morn. Yo, here we go off the top of the grill, Lord Sid, all in all. Yo, rock to the rhythm of time, my man, Daddy Stacks behind, chillin' with no wines. Yo, eating that big ass pot, a pizza for 1/10. Get real deep like 100 twat. I get over the line. Hey yo, I do my thing as I rock the house. My man, I do my thing. I'm the master of that. On top of the grill, I say, sing along, share along. Honey got all my ding dong. I told her go to the animal house. She called my man Jim, but I blew a Lucy out my butt to get fruity. Pause. Ayo, that don't sound right. I cut through like a dyke of 4 of them. I'm fucking all of them, from little Stacy to motherfucking Miss Morgan, Melissa. Keep falls up to the top. Glistener to the styles, to the styles, to the style. Yo. Oh, good luck, nigga. To the style. You know,
Lord,
anything.
That was incredible. Yo, vast most MCs that I see up in the spectrum simply seem edible. My style is terrible. Off the top of the dome, it's like dirty, stinky Jesus. My style isn't the shit that you find in your thesis. It's just elementary, like a thesis. Off the top of the dome, I bleed clits and rub them till they feel decent. Yo, my style is recent. El.Product, remember old school, but still influenced. Pass it off to Vash Kramer. He's the same like Scarfacer. My man is a mic debaser.
I might have to grab her, the MC, and erase her, or it, or all of them, whoever. When I rhyme, I drop gems, whatever. Got an opinion, so what? They like assholes and butts. Sometimes I get up in the guts. I speak the truth to the youth. You better start wearing bulletproof, like Old Dirty, and selling crack and dirty. MCs, I drop lyrics that's heavy. Oh, you ain't catch that? It's 3 seconds. Sometimes the benevolent soul, it wrecks it. Yo, I've been here before that, before him, and before that too, and before that gat, and before the Lexus, and before that cat who had a big record deal. Yo, he ain't the real. Yo, I'm in Harlem too. Yo, I kick the real. I kick that 3-dimensional. My man Vorlu, he'll rip you. He's supposed to. Yo, I rap
power whole days. My rap flows insane. The city, the cold vein, got nothing but fiends, dealers, and broke names. That walk with New York lit and staircase, they snort lines. Niggas lose their mind, it's like that a day cat. Oh shit, these cats adapt to crime. Sometimes I lose my mind on the sight, strike that. I strike live like lighters and spark the whole camp. Niggas get stamped on the mat when it's time to flow. Niggas can't flow with the cannibal O plus the X, it blows. Niggas
but tell him about that kid you saw on the train that thought he was gonna rock your cerebellum and bring pain. We hold lyrics like we uplift spirits in the seance. Come get it.
Come get it. I slay skills and spill raps, the trap bars, the guard shines like reflection of track stars. That's life in the rap game. Attach my words to dad, it crack frames. I might spit the raw like heroin, travels fast through black veins, and cut rhymes like cocaine so cats can snort lines and blow brain. Life is like sometimes I hold pain, but still live to build and know under the sun life is real, just might become the type to kill. Strike live like cheetah might write your whole drill. I so feel, even might rock the ill. Adidas stripes down the air nights on 4 courts, dribbling white NBA pills. Every day on the mic I'm live and ride on 4 tracks, multiply by 8 reels. Don't ever let snake bite, cause snake kills. Venomous the beat break bills. The 4th element of rap get masked, I smack names, so what's yours? Amazing when I drop rhymes like yours. Every time I rap applause with turntable mechanisms that retract claws. The scratch did ads attached to my chords. On stage I'm like Lord, a rage to fight for against mechanical. That's the cannibal O plus the X. Aw shit, niggas get blown like calico flows. Niggas can't flow cause they snap
hammering, we hammering. My man VORDUL, he got the cell therapy for your brains that you need to hear. I be the copper top like Duracell, about to take it to the rear, that's behind you. You know my style is ill, I might find you like a statue. I come off like removable tattoos and smack dudes, cause I got a bad attitude. I like to rap smooth and take it back to the written part of me, solid 10. But the harlequins start to win when I start to get in, sending it back to your kin. I'm splitting in, attacking your vitals. It's trite when I get nice flows, and I attack you with the pros from the centerfolds, break them off like a magazine. I take them C's and I'm hitting them in the spleen, in the kidneys, incisions, like I got surgical precision when I hold the flow. Slow-mo, rock a microphone like a leopard coming down the mountains, Himalayas, take them back, I'm the slayer like a heavy metal record, check it. I rock microphones and dialectic, got some shit to spit cause it gets hectic when we step in an earthquake, a chasm, Grand Canyon, expanding like your mind. I be the magnum that's controlled by the mind, cerebellum. My style is propelling, I be the felon, urban, walking down the street trying to take it, and I tell them, I rock them, chasm, what's the deal, y'all?
What's the deal, y'all?
What's the deal? As I move over to another
Adam's
mic,
family
where I can
live.
hear myself, the God lift still moves in stealth. Coming off the shelf, it's a rhyme that's unwritten, no bullshitting. You better believe what you perceive is being predicted every day in every possible way by people that make a display of your lives being viewed from a land afar beyond Mars. Yo, by those who have created the stars, the one that gave birth to the universe, put you standing here on the earth to think first. Before those thoughts of building robots enter your head, you better listen to the dread. I see your scientists acting like podiatrists, trying to create feet, flesh, new meat, but it's all digital, thus synthetic. But I'm a rhyme analytical, political figure. Yeah, the short nigga on the side, physical slide to a place where you can't hide. Yes, I descend to make sure that your wickedness end. Fuck up your trends, about talking about your Benz and your Bentleys. I sent these freeze, they came down like paratroopers and the beaches of Normandy, storming through. Losing my arm but reconstructing like Nimrod. I've been gone cause I've been scarred by my oppressors, professors at college, trying to educate me with whack knowledge.
With the fucking data basics, while bitch MCs jump out of the gay tricks. I seen your Steve off the top of the dome, it's not me. el.p, Emerson, Lake and Palmer, the indivisible, fucking terrible microcosm. Off the top of the dome, I rock 'em. Please, people drop to their knees and squeeze the nutsack just for the simply juice, the fecal juice matter. My style scatter like scatter guns in cop territories. Most stories seem grim when given from the city of sin. 8 million stories, my style is gory.
Yo,
dash, pass it off the lips so we can fucking get fast.
Yo, but do you tell a tale of horror about Sodom and Gomorrah when warriors were told to leave?
No doubt I talk about Babylon when cats rattle on, not knowing they sinning but thinking they winning, throwing cash into the camera thinking it's a video, but I say you a silly hoe. El.p Producto trying to catch it, my style is automatic.
Yo.
Pass it to Mr. Lip and get drastic.
But that was the day that Poseidon sent lightning out of the sky and defying and frying and miling. Yo, fucking up the firemen that the government hiring to put out the flames.
Yo, my style and I'm bringing them to Mile Long Island. From Fire Island, these faggots is coming wildin'. On the top of the dome I'm seeing most people think that I'm an average human being, but I'm not. I caught a fucking mitochondria in my cot and it turned me into an extraterrestrial. My style is celestial, like el.p Producto got the best of me on the internet. I best get a celestial lobotomy. Stop styling, my shit is wildin' out, so sodomy is just the answer. I'll cure your cancer and colonite. My style slash bitches and laughs like Dolomite. el.p Producto never hold a mic unless he's gonna rip it. See the style it got wicked, pinch the nipple. My style will ripple through the area and make hip-hop seem scarier. Most motherfuckers got a bull terrier and walk down the street like el.p.'s defeat has gotta be imminent. Unless I'm gonna walk around my neighborhood acting like a bitch. The Blair Witch Project, my style is deteriorating. Unless I get off the mic, I'm gonna pass to the lip, I'm not debating.
Yo, I remember you're the MC with the digital, physical, coming out of the clinical, syntax, natter, approved, stamp on your back, plus all types of barcodes on the back of your neck, around the 13th vertebrae to go the murder way. Get it birth, stillborn, like Bass told you. He sold too, on a search to try to find out try to open some doors like Lurch, but the knowledge has been hidden. Yo, so you go digging, excavating in a hex nation called America.
Peace to all the cold flow fans that's not hating. Peace to all the Cannibal Ox fans debating about who's better, whether or not they should tape it or act clever and take the fucking dat. My style is fucking fat, automatic and scattered. My shit doesn't matter, if not, then I'm just a terrible cock smear, motherfucking pap smear pastel, Scientologist, bombing shit, octologist, 8 steps to perfection. Your yeast infection is smelling up the room, it's not giving me an erection. I'll step to the strip club and soft for your protection. That people have fake libidos, my style is equal to nobody. Most people would end the rhyme with sequel, but that's a typical rhyme off the top of the dome. I don't drop dimes, oh that's producto. Similar to sibilance, check 1, 2, your style is midgets running around on fire and Jerry kids acting like Jerry Maguire. You complete me, shut the fuck up, you eat me. Off the top of the dome, I beat thee. Oh, yo, Bobito, I'm gonna you eat me.
Hey, yo, yo, yeah, yo.